Hi everybody, this is a follow-up on my haul I posted a few months back. I will link the video here on the screen. I wanted to see if I can turn $50 into $500, and I must say it was a slow journey to say the least. The good news is it's very much doable. The bad news is it takes some time, hard work, and determination. I broke it down a little bit into solds and unsolds and kind of estimated at the minimum the prices of the unsold items because I'm confident they will eventually sell. My conclusions are the following. Do not pick up items just because they're cute, and mind the brands, of course. Check the comps when thrifting. Check the quality of the clothing and review for any flaws before buying it, and keep in mind the reselling sites are oversaturated with cute items, so stick to brands you know for sure it will sell for you if you want to double or triple your money. Remember, it takes time to sell and establish what brands perform the best in your closet. And last but not least, cross-list your items on multiple platforms. That's something I'm still working on myself. So yeah, turning $50 into $500, it's possible, but the time it takes really depends on the popularity and desirability of the brands and pieces you pick up. Happy reselling, and if you think my videos help you in any way, please subscribe and like so you don't miss the next one. Bye!